I think from a resiliency standpoint, from like a software and hardware supply chain standpoint, I think it's important that it happens. Again, regardless of why it happened. A lot of these supply chains, even human supply chains, are brittle. And so I think having this trend of moving towards some form of segmentation is important. There's the software that's serving AI models. There's the data that's being used to create the models. There's all these different aspects of things that need to be both open, controlled, and potentially self-hosted. This is incredibly important because, again, whenever they don't know who their next adversary is going to be, and if they're relying on certain geopolitical entities to provide that capability, then that also gives that geopolitical entity the ability to disable and or compromise and or otherwise sabotage what they rely on to do the mission. So for them, it has to be self-hosted, air-gapped, self-contained, open source, as much visibility as possible and control for them to rely on it, just like they rely on their guns, their planes, their missiles, and so on.